Think you know your birds? Let's test your skills. Can you guess the bird just by its image? Let's find out. Known as the fishhawk, this bird dives into water for its meals. Can you guess it? Yes, it's an osprey. A small, shy bird that loves wetlands. What's its name? That's right, it's a rail. This water bird has red and yellow on its beak. Can you name it? Correct, it's a moorhen. One of the heaviest flying birds, often found in open grasslands. What is it? Yes, it's a bustard. This tiny bird can climb down trees headfirst. Can you guess it? You got it. It's a nuthatch. This small bird is known for its bright orange tail. Can you name it? Yes, it's a redstart. This melodious bird is often seen in gardens singing sweet tunes. What's its name? Correct. It's a bulbul. This clever black bird is famous for mimicking other birds. Can you guess it? That's right, it's a drongo. Known for its intricate nests, this bird is a true architect. What is it? Yes, it's a weaver. This bird has a unique crown-like crest. Can you name it? Absolutely, it's a hoopoe. This colorful bird is often seen near wetlands. Can you guess its name? Yes, it's a swampin. This bird is famous for building decorative nests. What's its name? That's right, it's a bowerbird. Known for its incredible mimicry and tail shaped like a musical instrument. What is it? Correct, it's a lyrebird. This bird spends most of its life flying. Can you name it? Yes, it's a swift. This bird is nicknamed the butcher bird for its hunting style. What is it? You got it. It's a shrike. This seabird is an expert diver, plunging into the ocean to catch fish. Can you name it? Yes, it's a gannet. A water bird known for its elaborate mating dance. What's its name? That's right, it's a grebe. A small, camouflaged bird famous for its long bill. Can you guess it? Correct, it's a snipe. This bird has a striking crest and performs acrobatic flights. What is it? Yes, it's a lapwing. This bird has a long, curved beak perfect for probing mud. Can you name it? You got it. It's a curlew. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. And don't forget to try our next challenge.